What's up, guys? We're back again doing another DJI camera product. Today we're going to be unboxing a DJI Pocket 2. This just came out recently. I've actually never used one of these. I use DJI gimbals pretty much all the time with my Sony cameras. I use a DJI Ronin S. I will also be doing a video very soon on this new product I just got. We got an upgrade that just came in. This guy right here, the DJI RS2 Pro Combo. I just got one of these, so stay tuned for a video of this. I will be unboxing and showing what this looks like when it comes out of the box. So we'll set that over there. But today's agenda is we're gonna go into this and unbox this guy and see what this is all about. All right, guys, so this is what the box looks like. It's pretty nice. We're gonna go ahead and we're gonna cut this open here. So this is the creator combo, so it comes with a little bit more than just the device, which I will go over. I already unboxed it, as you probably saw, and I was gonna film an unboxing, kind of, but this is kind of more in detail because it's a little confusing since I've never used one. So with the creator combo, you get a little tripod, you get this little extra piece down here. This is like the wireless Bluetooth kind of deal that, you know, you can click, and it's like an extra handle. It makes it a little longer because without this, it's like actually really short. There's like a little end cap and it's really small. So this little thing right here makes it feel a little bit more better in the hand, I guess. And then there's the on button is right over here. And then pretty much this guy slides with the camera facing in and right down into this way. And then it goes right in this little case like so. Pretty nice and snug. You can just pull it out, etc. It's pretty slick, pretty sleek. I will say inside here, you've got little adapters. Let's see, you got a little lens, comes with a little lens that basically magnets on right here. Let's see, put this on. Magnets right on like that, and then when it magnets on and the device is on, it can sense and it says wide angle is attached. So this is a little wide angle for the DJI Pocket 2. Yeah, so and the wide angle, it just goes and seats right down in that little thing right in there. And then these two little guys right here, these, let me get them out, are adapters. So on this Pocket, you've got the little controller. You can control the gimbal. This is like a button to switch in between settings. And then this is a record button. This is another button to switch into between settings. This little control panel slides off. And then there's a little deck for these to slide on. So you slide this right in place like so. It clips in, and then you can clip it into your phone. And I'm not sure if you can take the stuff off the DJI like this, the Pocket 2, but when you get it out of the box, you're gonna need to do this. If you have an iPhone, this is for iPhones. It also has a USB-C adapter as well. That's the lightning cable. This is the micro USB for newer phones like Google Pixel, etc. And then when you're done with that, you can just clip them. They just clip right down back in there, and you know, they can just go away, so you always have them. But this allows you to clip in, and you can like do some stuff with it attached to your phone, download firmware updates off of the mobile app. To set this guy up, you're gonna have to download this mobile app. Yeah, it's just the way that it goes. Then you just slide this guy back off, and you can put it right back down in there as well. And then if you want, you can slide this guy right back on how I had it. Oh, just like that, and it clips right on. So this can film in a lot of different settings. I think it can film in 60, it's like 60, 50, 48, 24, and something else. It can film in a lot of different frames per second. This has active tracking, so you can basically set it up and you can put this little tripod. The reason why I bought the kit, this tripod screws into right here. Let me just screw it in real quick and I'll show you. This guy screws in like so. This tripod's kind of on like a swivel system, so you can set it however you need it. You can set it up, and it's perfect for filming vlogs because you can turn it around. It'll do like a first person, or it will do like a selfie kind of deal for vlogs. So it's super good for that, and it will active track my face, which I can set when my phone's connected. I can just put a little square box over my face, and then wherever I move, the gimbal will move as well. So it's super nice, keeps you in frame. I haven't taken a bunch of clips with it yet, but I have tested it out. It is really nice. It does shoot in 4K, which is super nice. It is very small. It does fit in your pocket, hence the name, and it is very lightweight as well. I think this camera would be good suited for anyone who's vlogging or anybody who doesn't really want to make a big purchase into a serious DSLR and like a setup, or like a mirrorless setup, like a Sony or a Canon. But this camera is also for really good on the go. That's why I bought it, is I'm going to use this for mobile vlogs, stuff when I'm on the go and I don't want to bring my whole gimbal setup. Overall, the durability seems to be really nice. I actually dropped it already and nothing happened. There's not even a scratch or like a drop mark on it, so that's really nice. The material is like a hard plastic. It's finished. The finish feels really good in your hand. The only thing I don't love is this little joystick is a little more firm than it is on like my DJI Ronin S, which I know that's a big boy gimbal. This is a small one. You get what you pay for, etc. But just comparing apples to oranges a little bit. And also, it's a little weird to get used to the settings if you're coming from like an actual camera on a gimbal using the joystick, because you have to click through settings to go up or down or like back and forth. And this is also like a lock button, so you can lock it in place and it will stay on the subject, which is super nice. But overall, this is a super nice little camera. It's only, I think this guy with the Pro kit's like $490 or something like that. And when you get the Pro kit also, you get this nice little microphone that clips on. Let's see here. This little microphone clips on. You can clip it on a shirt and it gives you really good audio. And then it has like a wind stopper, these little like, kind of like a dead cat wind stopper deal. This will basically get rid of all the wind and will keep it. It's kind of weird looking. You can, I don't know if you'd want to wear it right there, but you could probably conceal it somewhere in like a jacket pocket or like inside your jacket. The audio on this is actually very impressive. It's super nice, and I was very surprised as far as how well the audio was. But alright guys, I'm going to go ahead and throw some clips of this stuff and some clips I took with this guy and right now.